Alright, so today on Junkyard Digs we'll be starting the revival of the barnfind Fiat. This thing is a true barnfind. It's been in the shed for years. We're going to try to get it running and drive it out of here. First, let's take a look at the car. Come on over. This car has a, if I'm correct, 800cc or 850cc 4-cylinder in the rear, a manual transmission, and a bonnet in the front. Let's go pop the bonnet and see what's in there. Hey buddy! How's it going? You look angry, huh? Hey, I'm gonna have to, I hate to do this, but I'm gonna have to ask you to leave the car. We're gonna make it a car again instead of your nest. Alright, you know what? I'll catch up with you later. We've got some work to do. Let's get started. Got my possum removal tool. Okay. Listen here, friend. Alright, go on, get. Who's our good possum? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. He's not even that harmful. Look at him. Alright, dude, I need you to just send it. Just away you go. Adios. Boop. 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 Alright. How do you want to do this? I can throw you out, I can drag you out, I can shoot you and then take you out. I don't want to do that because I might put a hole in something I need in the car. So preferably, I would like for you to leave. You are so ugly. That's an old possum too, he's got like ugly face. I'm petting it with a 2x4. Fuck you. Go away. I would leave you there, but I need to get to the battery. So get out! Now go. That way. No. Get out of here. Bitch!
Oh, there he is.
Alright, we're gonna leave him there and start on the car. I might get rabies. Send it. This is the new top someone had purchased for the car that never got installed. Some more poop covered trim, question mark. This is worse than roadkill's disgusting. I'm just gonna come out and say it right now. Mine had an actual animal in it. Theirs just had the remains of animals. Ah, look at that. Fiat Sport 850. I'd like to note that there's still a live possum somewhere near my foot. I have uncovered the battery tray. Oh, it's actually rusted through. Damn it. Look at battery terminals. Alright, let's hook a booster pack up and see what happens. Now, I know when I was a kid that this motor used to be free, but it has sat for a few years without spark plugs in it. This building has most of the building here, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully it still cranks. Let's see what happens when we turn the key. Ready?
Yeah.
Contact. Boom! We can do this. This can run. That can run. I know that's a terrible thing to base that off of, but I can make that work. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing to get some spark. Alright, I'm pretty sure we got power to our points here because it was sparking when I was trying to open them with a screwdriver. I'm going to slip a piece of sandpaper in here, try to clean these suckers up. Alright, we've gone ahead and sanded the points and some other stuff to maybe give a spark. We'll find out. Let's go ahead. Contact. We have spark. Alright, let's slap the spark plugs in this and dump a little starting fluid or gas in it and see what happens. Alright, that's cranking. Alright, here we go. First time this has made noise in probably 30 years. I've gone ahead and messed with the timing a little bit here. Still can't get this #1 spark plug in for now. But let's see if that made a difference. I think it was pretty out of whack. Should be more than enough. Alright, go for it. Come on. Oh, life! Alright, go ahead.
Oh wow, look at that exhaust.
A little more gas. This thing's gonna run.
Ouch.
Crank it. Holy shit! Dude, it runs. Crank it. Tack doesn't work. Alright, go ahead, turn the key off. Let's see if we can get that 4th plug in there and maybe rig up a fuel system. Alright, we had to get a new spark plug wire, and I had some on hand, but nothing like this style. So we went complete Janko and put this together. See if it works. Alright, we've got all 4 cylinders hooked up. Had to play with the timing a bit, it got messed up. Now it's not fighting us anymore. Go ahead and crank it. Go ahead. Do it again. Alright, turn the key off. Let's go rig up a fuel system and see if it'll idle or anything. Alright, so we've got our super jank clickety clackety fuel pump running into a bucket of gas off of a booster pack. We might have filled the bowls, we might not have. I don't know. Go ahead and hit it just see what happens. Ooh, that was loud. Alright, go. Ooh, go.
even.
Dude, it runs. All right, we are back for day 2 of the barn find Fiat. See if it will move under its own power today. All right, for simplicity's sake, I've gone ahead and wired the fuel pump to the one working taillight. Hang on. So that I can prime the car on and off from in the car, and don't have to have a second electrical source. I'm gonna crawl into this disgusting fucking bucket of shit. Watch out for the poop while I get it. Poop. Big old turd. That's massive. Okay. I'm in the poop car. It's full of spider webs too, that's nice. Accelerator seems to work. Oh, the blower works, great. Clutch might be shot. I think it's safe to say that something is not correct. After a bit of playing around, we've determined that our fuel tank is clean, as well as the mechanical pump does work actually. So we're gonna set that back up to factory, move on from there. Alright, fire it. This will be the first time it runs off if it's, this will be an independent start.
Coming up.
There's a bit of lifter clatter.
Burning off 40-year-old oil.
So was there a stuck tire or what was?
Well, the brakes were stuck. I imagine if you try to put it here with the clutch in, the clutch is probably not.
At least.
It's probably rusted.
Or if it's a hydraulic. I gotta look if it's a hydraulic clutch or.
What was his last thing? Last title?
84, I think.
84?
Is that what it says on the plate?
86.
Still, that's old.
30 years old, 31 years old.
Well, I'd say it's deserving to be drug out and cleaned up and go through the brakes, see if I can get the move. Skid loader, let's dig this thing out of the barn. It runs.
Dig it out of the possum pit.
Let's see if we can get it to drive.